Hi everybody, it's Miss H. Today for our library lesson, we are talking about organizing and putting things in special order. Probably ABC order, because that's what we use in the library. Do you remember the picture of the messy room from before? Do you remember how it was organized after they cleaned it up? They put all the art supplies together, they put all the tables and chairs together, the books together. Why do people organize things? Because it makes things easier to find. Because if we didn't organize them and everything was just in a big pile on the floor, it would take a long time. So imagine that you're walking into our library and all of the books in the library are on the floor, on top of a shelf, on top of a table. And you said to me, Miss H, I want a dinosaur book. And we had to look through all of the books to find the author who writes dinosaur books. It would take a really long time. So, in the library, we use ABC order to be able to organize all of our fiction books. That way, all the books by the same author stay together. So if you know you really wanted an Eric Carle book, you could go to the letter C and all the Eric Carle books would be right next to each other. There are lots of different ways that you can organize things. We use ABC order in the library, but sometimes that doesn't always work. Like, I keep my clothes in a special order so that I know where they are, but I can't use ABC order for that. I'm going to show you what that looks like now. Okay, here we are. We are looking at my closet. Now, all my clothes are hanging up right now, but they're also hanging up in a special kind of order I'm going to show you. So all my pants are hanging up first, and then my dresses are next. That way, if I need a pair of pants, I know that they're in the front, and my dresses are next. So then come my dresses with long sleeves. Then come my dresses with short sleeves, in case it's cold or it's hot. Then come my dresses with no sleeves. So it goes long sleeves, short sleeves, no sleeves. Now my shirts are next, same thing. My shirts with long sleeves, my shirts with short sleeves come next, and then my shirts with no sleeves. So if I need a shirt, I know where to go, depending on what kind of shirt I have. And then my sweaters are hanging up at the end in case it's cold and I need a sweater. So that way, when I look at my clothes and I decide what I want to wear, I know exactly where to go. So if I wanted a dress with short sleeves, I know that they're right here and I can take a look. If I had to look through every hanger, it might take a long time. Let's look at something else that I organize. Okay, so I borrowed some books from our school library because I wanted to be able to read them to you. And I want to put them in the right order that they would be in the library. Now, picture books in the library go in ABC order. We all know our ABCs. But remember, the ABCs don't come from the name of the book. They come from the last name of the author. Oh, my kitty cat Luna wants to help. So, there's little labels at the bottom right there that show you the letters for the author's last name. So this author's last name starts with R-A-S. This author's last name starts with W. Now, does R come before W in the alphabet? Yes. Hang on, Luna. So, these two are in the right order, but look at the one that's next. It's letter S. Does S come before W? Or does it come after W? S comes before W, that's right. So S needs to move and go before letter W. Now it's R, S, W. Good. But let's look at the next book. This book is letter C. Does letter C come after W? No. Does it come after letter S? No. It's all the way near the front of the alphabet. So I'm going to move letter C all the way to the front. Now it's C, R, S-W. Good. Ooh, but there's one more book here. This book has a K on it. Where do you think this K book is going to go? Do you know? It's going to go in between the letter C and the letter R. That's right. So now the books are in ABC order. C, K, R, S, W. Oh, thank you for helping me organize the books. That was really nice. Now, there's lots of things that you can organize in your house. You can organize your clothes like I did. You can organize your books like I did, but what else can you organize? You could organize your art supplies if you wanted to put all of your crayons with the same colors all together. You could organize, the food in the refrigerator and make sure all the fruits are together and the vegetables are together. That would be a good idea. Now, you can show me what you organized and the order that you put it in. I'd love to see it. If you're going to organize your books, remember, you have to organize them by the last name of the author. There's also some ABC ordering games on the next page that you can do. So have fun organizing. And I'll see you next time.